Hello friends, welcome to SNA Real Estate. This is your real estate consultant Sarika Ganguly here. Well, today I am going to talk about how to build wealth in real estate. So if you are wondering what's the mantra of building wealth in real estate, so the sector, some approachable and approaches include property appreciation, rental income leverage, tax benefits, and buy and hold, So property appreciation is studying the property to evaluate its growth potential in time. Rental income means purchasing homes to generate rent from tenants. While it's one of the most common methods to make profits, investments made in commercial properties and second home properties can yield up to 10% or higher annually. Tax benefits include interest on mortgage payments, property taxes, and certain property management expenses that can be tax deductible. Buy and hold is about an investor buying and holding the property for a long period regardless of fluctuations in the market. So how to invest in real estate market? Many people rely on 50-30-20 rule. 50% they use for their survival, 30% they are used for their recreation, and 20% they save and use it for their investments. This is how they are dedicating their amount, and this is the basic rule which offers a respectable model to navigate the financial sphere. Overall, the market is projected to grow by 8 trillion by 2047. Will you believe that it is going to happen? Influencing 15.5% of the GDP from the existing share of 7.3%. These striking figures indicate an uptick in real estate and truly paint the promising picture in real estate. So friends, this is how it is going to respond, and it's still very much in boom. So I would request you that this is the correct time. Don't wait for the correct time to come. All the best.